Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to reset camera settings on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone 11 is the iOS 18.3.1. Now to reset the camera settings on your iPhone, just open the settings app. Now from here scroll down and tap on General. Now from here scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now from here, tap on Reset and tap on Reset All Settings. Now from here, just enter your passcode. Now as you can see, this will reset all the settings on your Apple Pay cards, keys and passes will be removed. No data or media will be deleted. Just tap on Reset All Settings. Now from here, tap on Reset All Settings. Now from here, just wait a few seconds for your iPhone to reset all the settings. Now from here, just press and hold on the power button to power on your iPhone. Now as you can see, we have reset all the settings on our iPhone, including the camera settings. Now as you can see, this is how you can reset the camera settings on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.